A very warm welcome to all of you students. Today we are going to discuss regarding the next fundamental right, that is your right to freedom. Okay, and this particular right to freedom comes under Article 19 to Article 22. Now, the right to freedom is one of the fundamental right which has been guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Okay, and the right to freedom guarantees freedom for the citizens to live a life of dignity among other things. Okay, now these are given in Article 19, in Article 20, in Article 21 and 22 of the Indian Constitution. So as you all can see that the one hand side the list of articles, and another hand side there is a brief description regarding what that particular article is all about. So as you can see in the first one, that is Article 19, it is also referred as the 6 clusters of freedom, that contains the protection of the 6 rights concerning the freedom of first one, speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession. So let's see one by one that what are these 6 clusters. The first one is your freedom of speech and expression. So the state guarantees the freedom of speech and expression to every person of India. However, the state can impose the restrictions on the freedom of speech and expression in the interest of the integrity, security, and the sovereignty of the country, or for public order with respect to the incitement to offense or contempt of court. So based on these, the state can impose the restrictions on the freedom of speech and expression. Next is your the freedom to assemble. That is, the state guarantees every person the freedom to assemble peacefully but without arms. However, this particular freedom to assembly can also be, you can say, impose restrictions if it is also in the interest of the sovereignty and the integrity of the country. Next one we have is right to free association, or freedom to form the associations, unions and the cooperative securities. Now again, for this particular freedom, the state can impose the restrictions in the interest of integrity, security and sovereignty of the country, right? But this freedom gives the workers the right to form the trade union, okay, which is thus a fundamental right itself. But at the same time, it also prohibits the police personal from forming trade unions. Okay, though the constitution also allows the parliament to pass a law restricting the right. Please listen it very carefully. The constitution allows the parliament to pass a law restricting the right to form the political association to members of the armed forces, those who belong to armed forces, intelligence bureaus, okay, and those person who are employed with the telecommunication system. Okay, so this is regarding freedom to form the association. Next one is freedom of residence. That means being a citizen of India, you have the right to reside in any part of the country, although the restrictions can be imposed on the grounds of security, on the grounds of public order, or for protecting the interest of the scheduled tribes. Okay, next one is freedom or right to freedom of movement. Again, as a citizen of India, you can move freely throughout the territory of India. Okay, but this particular freedom of an individual can be restricted again based on the grounds of security or the public order. Last and but not the least, that is your freedom of profession. All citizens have the right to carry on any trade, to carry on any profession, to carry on any occupation, provided the trade or the occupation is not illegal or immoral. Are you getting? So as a citizen, you have the right that you can carry on any kind of a trade, any kind of a occupation that you would like to have for yourself, though all it should not be, or that particular trade or occupation should not be illegal, okay, should not be immoral. Also, there is a law that does not prevent the state from making the laws related to technical or the professional qualifications which are required for practicing the occupation or the trade. Okay, so this is all about Article 19, the 6 clusters which are there under Article 19.